Hey guys, and welcome to a new Felix video. Today we have a full box of Halloween costumes and we will try them on.
What do we have here? Lots of partner costumes. Should we try them? Yeah!
First of all, we are having bats.
Now we are dressing you up.
Ooh. Okay, this is the first one. Let us know in the comments which one you like the most. I've seen those wings all over social media and I'm so excited to try them because I think Felix will look super special in them, but putting them together was a nightmare. And now let the magic begin.
Felix, what is this?
I think it's so cool! Next up, we've got ghosts.
This or that? This one?
It's my turn now. Right now you probably can't guess what this will be, but you will see in a second. Ta-da! Not to forget about the head.
What is this? It's a hacking dinosaur that's gonna attack you.
The next ones will be cool. I will be Superwoman.
And you will be Superman.
Okay, so this was by far the most expensive of all the costumes because the brand is protected, I think. And it looks kind of cute, except for my socks, but I don't have any red socks. Just imagine.
You like it? Yes? Ready for a rescue mission? Yes! Okay, let's go!
Maybe you can already guess the next one.
Which hat do you like?
The big one? But I got a better costume for him and his size.
I think you have to turn around for this one. What do you think? You like my look?
Now we just need a broom.
Do you get one? Hi.
This is my all-time favorite, I think.
Do you like my look?
For Felix, I couldn't find a penguin costume, so we are having a cute panda instead. You're looking so cute! What I like most is the little tail. We only have a few more left.
Do you think you are the angel or the devil?
Which one?
Which one?
Devil. Okay.
True story.
Take it.
Felix's favorite animal is a squirrel, so I decided to become one.
Oh.
I got a giant squirrel tail. Felix, what is this? I will turn into your favorite animal. And because I couldn't find a partner costume for him, he will be my nut. You want to be the nut? Yes?
Lap.
Yeah!
What do you think? You like it? Bounce.
This is Felix's favorite costume so far. He's trying to destroy it.
Heck, Give me my nut back. I'm a squirrel and I have a nut. Last but not least, 2 cute hats. You want this one or that one? Both? Ah, hey! No! Okay, I think the decision is very clear. He wants to be the panda again. No! Felix! Hey! No, that's not how it's supposed to be worn. Like this is correct. In case you're wondering how this works, you just have to press here to move the little ears. And I got a little bunny. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. We really hope you liked it and let us know in the comments which costume we should wear for this year of Halloween. And if you liked the video, we would be very happy if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next week. Bye bye.